Addition of 4-digit numbers. Both 7,263 and 6,713 are 4-digit numbers. 7 and 6 are thousands digits. 2 and 7 are hundreds digits. 6 and 1 are tens digits. 3 and 3 are ones digits. First let us add ones digits. Three plus 3 equals to 6. Now let us add tens digits. 6 plus 1 equals to 7. Now let us add hundreds digits. 2 plus 7 equals to 9. Now let us add thousands digits. 7 plus 6 equals to 13. Thus 7,263 plus 6,713 equals to 13,976.